Hello students, welcome all of you in this online class. Today I am going for making video part 4th, chapter number 6, integers for class 6. Okay. At first I am going to taking an example on page number 120 of your book. Example number 2, part A. See here. One button is kept at -3. In which direction, once repeated, in which direction and how many steps should we move to reach at -9? There is a number line and one button is kept on -3. In which direction and how many steps should we move to reach at -9? I am drawing a number line for you. See here. Suppose it is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. This is the number line. Okay. Now question is that one button is kept at -3. One button is kept at -3. एक बटन है जो कि -3 पर रखा हुआ है. In which direction and how many steps should we move to reach at -9? हमें किस डायरेक्शन में जाना पड़ेगा, लेफ्ट में या राइट में, फॉर रीचिंग एट -9 तक पहुंचने के लिए. तो यू कैन सी इजीली वी हैव टू मूव इन राइट डायरेक्शन, we have to move in left direction of -3. And how many steps? Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the left direction from -3. Hence we can write we should move 6 steps in left direction of -3. This is our answer. Guys, there is also a part B for this example on page number 120. This is the practice for you in homework. Okay, SW practice. I hope you will solve it in your notebook. I will check in next classes. Exercise 6.1. Now we are going for the exercise 6.1. This exercise is also on page number 120. This is the question number 1. Write opposites on the following. ये जो क्वेश्चंस है इनके हमें ऑपोजिट लिखने हैं. तो आइए देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट का ए, इंक्रीज इन वेट. इंक्रीज इन वेट में हम ऑपोजिट इंक्रीज का लिख सकते हैं. इंक्रीज मतलब बढ़ाना, देन वी विल राइट डिक्रीज, इट मीन्स घटाना. डिक्रीज इन weight. Okay. Now question number B, 30 kilometer north. We can write opposite of north, 30 kilometer in south. Okay. 80 meter east. We can write here 80 meter west. and loss of rupees 700, and we can write opposite of loss is profit of rupee 700. Okay, now there is one question is remaining here. Just wait. The question is that 100 meter above sea level, 100 meter above sea level. This is a simple question. You have to write opposite in your HW practice. It is for students. I will provide notes for you, and if you have any doubt, any query, you can contact us. You can leave a comment in the comment section, or you can also leave a message on this number 8239 199 241. We will provide notes in the group. Okay, thank you.